All right, this story is my personal experience with an agent few months ago. A few months ago, someone reached out to me and asked me for a property in a particular location, and checking saying that the company I work with does not have a property in that particular location. So I reached out to this particular agent, who is a local agent. So I reached out to her and asked her if she can find a property within that location. And after a few days, he sent me a property. So I went to inspect the property, and after everything, I asked the person in question who claims to own the property to send me the document, and so that I can do my own due diligence as a real estate expert I am. So when he sent that document, I have to go through it and read through it and see. After going through the document, I found out that there are things that are not clear in that document. But it's not even just about the document that I want to talk about. But what I want to point out is that during that period, that agent does not even have any concern to know whether the property is genuine, or whether the property is okay for us to sell the property. But he's after pressuring me for my client to make deposit. I was like, calm down. This thing is something we have to carefully pay attention to. So that experience made me to understand that she don't even know anything in the real estate transaction. She just care about what she will gain from the profits. So that's why I always make emphasis on who is your realtor. Who is your realtor? Because your realtor, that's your realtor, which is your realtor or your agent. Yeah, you can use any of this, your realtor or your agent. Who he is matters. If he is not legally smart, your investment does not have guarantee of being safe, because you can never take away law. You can never take away law from real estate transaction. From real estate transaction. You can never take away law from real estate transaction. And if your realtor don't know anything about the law of real estate transaction, he will never help you to make sure that the property you are buying is safe and secure, or even help you to make sure that you are investing in a strategic location to make sure that the where you want to put your money is even safe. So that's why I am in the opinion that you pay attention to your realtor. If he is not legally smart, I think you shouldn't go with him. Or better still, have a property lawyer. A property lawyer. A property lawyer. If you can, get a property lawyer, you know that you are good to go. You are good to go. A property lawyer can help you so far. But why am I making this video? I'm making this video because of that experience. Because I was like, what if? Because after I going through the document, I found out that there are things that are not correct in the document. Because actually, what the title that the land bears is a power of attorney. So from my knowledge as a real estate consultant on what power of attorney should be, after going through it, I see that there are things that are not actually correct in the document. So in my opinion, pay very, very much attention to who is your realtor, because in fact, if your realtor is not legally smart, he will not know the real estate company to market their products. He will not know the land to sell and the land not to sell. Because your success in this transaction, let me say 60 to 70%, 60 to 70% of it is in the hand of your realtor. Yes, 60 to 70% of it is in the hand of your realtor. Because if he's not legally smart, he will just give you any property for you to buy. Yes, he'll just give you any property for you to buy. Yeah, I had a story where a realtor who is not legally smart saw the property that worth in billions, and later on the property is not genuine. The realtor has no choice than to run away. So that's why I'm in the opinion, always see to it that your realtor is legally smart. I hope this information has blessed you so much. My name is Ekinedu Chukwu, the real estate consultant, the Land King of the Land King Properties Limited. See you again in my next video.